case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1997 case United States v. Sinskey, heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit, Timothy Sinskey and Wayne Kumm were convicted of criminal violations of the Clean Water Act, CWA, after falsifying test results and monthly reports for their company's release of wastewater into the Big Sioux River. The plant's wastewater treatment managers manipulated the testing process, and Sinskey sent the falsified reports to the EPA. The court held that the convictions were valid, stating that individuals can be convicted of violating the CWA even if they didn't know their actions were illegal, as long as they were aware of the conduct that resulted in the permit's violation. The court also found sufficient evidence to support Kumm's conviction of aiding and abetting the misleading monitoring scheme, and upheld the convictions in all respects.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.